Hello everyone, special thank you to Roger in Wichita Falls, Texas. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry, which has made me the most famous on YouTube. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm having See Mo Better look at Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Roger's Ray-Ban 8901. He got the color 5263, which is the demi-gloss black in the 55 eye size. Now this frame comes in two sizes, 53 and 55. It comes in 6 colors. You know what it's got to be with that carbon fiber case. Of course, that's the inside of it. Anytime you see that checkerboard, these are the carbon fiber frames. You even get that same checkerboard pattern on the cleaning cloth, the original demo lenses. But this is the price of admission. This is what everyone wanted to see. The really nice frame. Of course, I'd show it to you, but on the inside it's got the Ray-Ban camouflage, as they call it. It's hard to see it. Again, it's the 8901, size 55, color 5263. What color is this? The demi-gloss black. Now the frame comes in 6 colors, and as I mentioned, the 2 sizes. He got the Zeiss Light D digital freeform progressive lenses. 1.59, the refractive index of polycarbonate, the Photofusion X blue. I loves me some blue. I wear it myself. Guys, I gotta tell you, if you're deciding on a color, go with the blue. It is badass. That's right, I said it. Highlighted prescription for the right eye. Same for the left. Pupillary distance, optical center height, the base curve of the lens, all the compensated formula, since these are digital lenses. For your records, you get the original packets that the lenses came in. Highlighted the prescription for the right eye and the left. Now the prescription is so weak, I assume this is his first pair of progressives. He's just tired of reading glasses, so I'm going to include in the description a video on how to use and what to expect progressive lenses for the first time. Of course, you're going to get the Zeiss cleaning cloth, my premium microfiber cloth. You're going to get instructions on not only how to care for your frame and lenses so they last you for years, but for the case and all 3 cleaning cloths, you'll have instructions on those. Now, this is what everyone wants. And by the way, I field test every cleaning cloth before I ship, so I know that it works. So Roger, when you get this in the mail and you see the wrinkles in it, you know that it works. So this is what they look like inside. Now, truth be told, or should I say full disclosure, the Photofusion blue retains just a little bit more than the gray, brown, and green. I don't know why, but, and there's no polite or politically correct way to say this, but unless you're albino, nobody's going to see that on you if you have any pigment whatsoever. But let me show you how cool these are going to look. Now, he got the Duravision Platinum, the premium anti-glare coating, along with that. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute, minute 15. Now, this is important. Roger and everyone else, pay attention. All photochromic lenses get dark on day 1 and continue to darken every day for the first couple of weeks or exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, if you have a convertible or a motorcycle, yes. Now, the nice things about the new Photofusion X is they'll get about 30% dark in a car. This frame sells for $240, comes complete with 1 free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses. He upgraded to the Zeiss Light D Progressive for another $149. The Photofusion Blue, gray, brown, green, or blue that you see here adds $99. There's also the Photofusion Extra Gray, which is $129. The Extra Gray will get about 50% dark in a car. The blue now, is in the last couple weeks, it's a good thing he bought them now, because they will actually get 30% of the car. I'm wearing the old school ones, meaning my ones that were made more than 3 weeks ago. Mine don't turn in a car at all. And look how fast these are turning back to clear. And before I go further, I'll get back to these, but all photochromatic lenses are temperature sensitive, meaning they'll get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, again, having said that, the Photofusion Extra Gray is designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside and will get darker in hotter weather. Now, the Photofusion X, gray, brown, green, and blue, now get almost as dark as the Photofusion Extra Gray. The other nice thing about these Photofusion X, they have the blue guard built into it, so they block the 30 to 50% of the harmful blue light emitted from today's electronic devices. Even when the lens is clear, it is blocking that much light. The Photofusion Extra Gray blocks up to 70%. And I think that is it. Look how fast that has turned back to clear. These new X are the bomb. So it's a good thing you purchased when you did. If you have any questions, anyone, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. If you want to talk to a live person, mostly live, called Jigsaw. I call him that because he's the hardest working jigsaw piece puzzle in the box. You can reach him at 919-491-2411. If you'd rather text, I answer the text messages in English. He answers the phone calls in a multitude of languages. Now, I am learning slang on the side on Rosetta Stone, so I'll practice speaking slang with y'all. But again, Roger, you're going to get a selfie request. I'd actually love to have 2 selfies, one with you indoors with these clear, one with you outside in that Texas sun, showing how great that blue looks on you. Anyone else can leave a question or comment in the comment section below, but Roger in Wichita Falls, Texas, thank you so much for the purchase of the Ray-Ban 8901 color. I have to hold it down here so I can see it. 5263, the demi-gloss black in the larger of the 2 sizes, the 55, with your Zeiss Light D digital freeform progressive lenses, the Photofusion X blue, the Duravision Platinum premium anti-glare. Again, I'll have a link in the description below for you, Roger, so you know how to use these when you first get them. I joke, my sales pitch for progressives is they cost more and you're going to hate them for the first week, and then you're going to wonder how you ever live without them. But Roger, trust me, food tastes better when you can see it on your fork. You're going to love these. Just give it a couple days. You're going from an automatic to a stick shift. As you move your head up and down, you're going to be changing gears. As you go down, just like the gas pedal in your car, the further you press it down, the stronger it gets. Same with these. Your distance at the top as you look down, it gets stronger and stronger, just like your reading glasses. So, but that's it. Click on the video to learn how to use these. Click on the link above to go to the website to check these out. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. But hang on, I'm going to say something controversial to some people. Please think about getting on a plant-based diet. Be kind to animals. They're not ours to abuse. And so leave a comment of what you think about that. But I'm going to be saying it a lot more in my videos. I'm ready. Where's my soapbox? I'm getting on it. So, but that's it. Thanks again for watching. And bye, y'all.